Have you ever noticed how a whiff of lavender can instantly calm your nerves, or how the scent of citrus can energize your day? These are not mere coincidences. They are rooted in the fascinating science of aromatherapy. Today, we explore the science behind aromatherapy, a practice that harnesses the power of essential oils to influence our minds and bodies. Aromatherapy involves using concentrated plant extracts, known as essential oils, which people inhale or apply to the skin for therapeutic benefits. These oils come from flowers, leaves, roots, and other plant parts, and they interact with our biology in remarkable ways. To understand aromatherapy, we must first look at its origins. The practice traces back thousands of years, with evidence suggesting it began around 3500 BC in ancient Egypt. Egyptians used aromatic plants and oils for embalming the dead in religious ceremonies and as medicines. They developed early distillation methods to extract oils from cedarwood, clove, and cinnamon, believing these substances connected the physical world to the divine. Ancient China also played a key role in the early history of aromatherapy. Around the same time as the Egyptians, Chinese healers burned special herbs to promote harmony and well-being. Texts like the Yellow Emperor's Book of Internal Medicine, dating back over 2,000 years, describe using aromatic plants to balance the body's energy, or qi. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, often called the father of modern medicine, advocated for daily aromatic baths and scented massages to maintain health. He documented the antiseptic properties of certain oils, using them to treat plagues and wounds. The Greeks passed this knowledge to the Romans, who expanded the use of essential oils in public baths and for personal hygiene. The term aromatherapy itself emerged much later in the 20th century. In 1928, French chemist René Maurice Gatafus accidentally burned his hand in a lab explosion. He plunged it into a vat of lavender oil nearby, and to his surprise, the burn healed quickly without infection or scarring. This incident sparked his research, leading him to coin the word aromatherapy in his 1937 book. During World War II, French surgeon Jean Valnet used essential oils like tea tree and eucalyptus to treat soldiers' wounds, demonstrating their antibacterial effects. His work helped revive interest in aromatherapy in Europe, paving the way for its integration into modern wellness practices. Over time, aromatherapy has evolved from ancient rituals to a science-backed complementary therapy. Today, researchers study how essential oils work through our sense of smell. When you inhale an aroma, scent molecules travel up your nose to the olfactory receptors. These receptors send signals directly to the brain's limbic system, which controls emotions, memories, and behaviors. The limbic system includes the amygdala, the emotional center of the brain. This is why certain scents can trigger relaxation or alertness almost instantly. For example, lavender oil has been shown in studies to increase serotonin levels, helping to reduce anxiety and improve sleep. Essential oils can also be absorbed through the skin, entering the bloodstream to provide localized benefits, such as easing muscle tension. Innovations in extraction methods have made essential oils more accessible. Steam distillation, the most common technique, gently heats plant material to release volatile compounds without destroying their properties. Cold pressing is used for citrus oils, preserving their fresh scents. Modern science has also led to blends tailored for specific needs, like diffusers that disperse oils into the air for home use. Aromatherapy holds deep cultural significance across the world. In Egypt, it was tied to spirituality. Priests used oils to anoint pharaohs and purify temples, believing scents pleased the gods. In India, Ayurveda, a traditional healing system over 5,000 years old, incorporates aromatic herbs and oils to balance the doshas or body energies for holistic health. Chinese culture views aromatherapy as part of traditional medicine, where scents restore yin and yang balance. Burning incense in temples or using oils in acupuncture enhances spiritual and physical harmony. Indigenous cultures, such as Native American tribes, practice smudging with sage and cedar to cleanse spaces and ward off negative energies, a form of aromatic ritual still used today. In Europe, during the Middle Ages, aromatic substances combated plagues by neutralizing bad odors, which people believed caused disease. This cultural belief influenced the development of perfumes in France, blending art with healing. Today, aromatherapy bridges Eastern and Western traditions, appearing in spas, hospitals, and homes worldwide. Now, let us dive into some fun facts and surprising details about aromatherapy. Did you know that essential oils are not actually oils? They lack fatty acids and are instead highly concentrated volatile compounds, which is why they evaporate quickly and pack such a potent aroma. It takes an enormous amount of plant material to produce just a small bottle of oil. For instance, to make 1 pound of Bulgarian rose oil, workers harvest about 4,000 pounds of rose petals, often by hand at dawn, to capture the freshest scent. Peppermint oil has a quirky benefit. Studies show that inhaling it can curb appetite, with participants consuming up to 23% fewer calories when exposed to the scent throughout the day. Lavender is not just for relaxation. During World War I, it was used as an antiseptic in hospitals when supplies ran low. And here is a surprising one. Some Japanese companies pump citrus scents into offices to boost employee productivity and reduce errors. Tea tree oil, native to Australia, has antiviral properties so strong that Aboriginal peoples have used it for centuries to treat colds and skin infections. Modern research confirms its effectiveness against certain bacteria, making it a natural alternative to chemical cleaners. Eucalyptus oil can repel insects better than some commercial sprays, thanks to its cineol content. And vetiver oil, with its earthy scent, is known as the oil of tranquility in India, where it helps manage anger and promote grounding. In summary, the science behind aromatherapy reveals how simple scents can profoundly affect our brains and bodies. From ancient origins to modern innovations, this practice offers a natural way to enhance well-being, backed by growing research on its benefits for stress, mood, and more. If you found this exploration enlightening, subscribe to our channel for more dives into the science of everyday wonders. Like this video if aromatherapy intrigues you, and comment below with your favorite essential oil and why. Thank you for watching, stay curious, and we will see you in the next video.